What's crazy to me now is that the statistics of what a DJ makes per year is anywhere between $15,000 a year to $150,000 a year, according to GlassDoor. And that range is so wide that how do you depict where you're going to land? I'm a very firm believer that there should be a standard rate across the board that every DJ should never go below. Because when you look at the salary of, let's just say you make $45,000 a year, that's approximately $900 a week. So that means that if you're only doing one job a week, you're making $900 per job. If you're doing 3 jobs a week, you're doing $300 per job. And that is a massive difference in pay scale, because if you're a DJ that does it for $300 a night, you're ultimately relying on doing approximately 150 jobs a year to make nearly $50,000.